Can you explain compound interest?
Excellent question. Thank you very much for that, Eddie from Iron Maiden. I've been a fan for a while. Compound interest is essentially when you're earning interest on your interest. So where instead of taking the money out and spending it, you are reinvesting that money into the initial investment. And a good example might be, just for simplicity, $1,000, you invest that at 10%. So at the end of year one, you have interest of $100. Instead of taking that money out, it's reinvested. So now you have $1,100, earning another 10% for the following year. Let's go and have a look at the screen and look at that in real practice over the very long term, and that's where it can have an amazing effect. You can see here, here is some work from Peter Thornhill, and the top line here is one we're going to focus on. That is the All Industrials Index over from 79, $100,000 invested in 79 through to 21, and you can see the top line figure here is nearly $17 million. So that is with all the income we invested. If we look at the same time frame, same $100,000, 79 through to 71, and the income taken out, it's just under 2.4. So you can see it has a massive impact, compound interest. It's one of the wonders of the world. Thanks for listening.